In this Omni AI review, I'm going to be showing you a training that's going to show you how you can actually be pretty much everywhere online at once by using the power of AI to actually create videos for you without ever actually having to be on a video yourself. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you the back-end area so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals in upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Omni AI, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says use Omni AI to be seen everywhere online at once. Leverage this specific secret AI to make $49,853 in 30 days, 10 or 100 times your reach by only doing 1/100th of the work, etc., etc. So here's the thing, guys. You're not going to make $49,000 in 30 days by using this. However, they do have results that they've gotten using the power of AI. AI can definitely make your life a lot easier, and there are ways of actually creating videos with AI that doesn't take really expensive tools to do. You can actually do it using a lot of the training that they have here. They've made a lot of money in this process. Now, some of these screenshots, I don't know if it's 100% from using AI, but I do know that they are really into it. I know that James Renouf is a big AI buff. He loves getting into everything that's like new in AI, and he actually uses it inside of his business. So I'm definitely comfortable recommending this to you if you are interested in using AI to drive free traffic and to even make money from it using multiple different traffic sources and different real ways of actually doing this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and play you a quick video of them explaining this a little bit more. Then I'm going to come back and show you the members area.
Welcome to Omni AI. James and Max here. We are so excited to have you be a part of this. I'll tell you what, the game is now changed forever. When you pick up this product, you're just not going to believe it, because now you can literally be everywhere without being anywhere. And what does that mean? You can increase your productivity with levels that you've never seen before, while at the same time reducing the amount of time more and more that you need to be there. When you see below all the different places we're crushing, when you see how much money we're making, it's just going to blow your mind. So you need to pick up Omni AI, because if you don't use this AI, everyone that does pick it up is going to beat you. It's just the way it is. Those with the best AI, which is Omni AI, are going to win. Those that don't are going to lose. Max?
Yeah, so this is really super exciting, and I can still not believe that this is actually possible, because just a couple of months ago it wasn't. And now you can really be at so many places at the same time without you really having to do anything. Like something like this was not possible in the past, and now you can do this without any skills, because once again, it's artificial intelligence. The word intelligence is already there. This is smarter than you, smarter than human beings, and it does all the work for you. Like AI does not sleep. It never sleeps. Like you can have it work for you 24/7, 365 all the time. This stuff gets better and better every day. And this is really like having a full team of people working for you non-stop without you having to hire anybody. So you can really sit back, relax, and see like the money coming in, because you have these people, like these artificial people working for you. And we're talking about experts. This is like having the best and smartest people, like Harvard graduates working on your copy, Stanford guys working on your design. And it's not about copy design, it's about anything. Like you can do anything with AI right now. You can be everywhere at the same time while working much less. And this is stuff that was never before AI became a big thing. And this is making me so excited, because once again, what James just mentioned, just look at the sales page. These are all results that are only possible for us because we're using the system, because we don't do the work ourselves anymore, because by us, like we're just two human beings. We sleep, we eat, we have friends, we have a family, we have a life and stuff. So we don't sit here 24/7, 365, whereas like AI is like having like the best people out there working for you non-stop, all the time. And this is just a complete game changer, really.
It really is, and it doesn't depend what kind of person you are. Like I love to have the nice pool in the background. Max is in, I don't even know what country you're in here now. Like literally he's in a hotel or Airbnb right now, because he's traveling the world. He's about the lifestyle. And it doesn't matter your age, it doesn't matter your gender, it doesn't matter all those things. You don't need to have any money out of pocket. You don't need to show your face. You don't necessarily have to be a fan of certain platforms. You don't have to be a fan of social media. You don't have to be a fan of certain traffic methods. It doesn't matter. The point is that wherever you want to go, this is going to bring you there. And the things have changed so quickly. This is the first time Max is saying, again, Max is all about the lifestyle. And in a lot of ways, we're kind of like opposites. He's trying to take himself out of his business. And for me, I'm looking at it like there's so much that I can do now that I haven't been this excited to get to work. So in a weird way, I'm actually working more. But it's cool because now I'm in 100 different places. You see, before I could see all the opportunity, but I'm like, I gotta pick one thing. Because if I don't pick one thing and go deep with it, I'm not gonna, I just can't be everywhere. But I see the opportunity like a lot of you do. Well, now it's like, okay, I want to go after Facebook, I can do that. I want to go after YouTube, I could do that. I want to go after Discord, I want to go to all these different places. It's like, I just tell the AI and it does it. And again, it's not about Max, it's not about me, it's not about you. Anyone can do this. I think we're smart people, I think you're a smart person, but now I'm sorry, but the AI is smarter than all of us. That's the difference. Now it's just about using it and just telling it where to go, because that's how it is right now. It's much smarter than you or I or Max will ever be. So you got to stay on top of this. And right now, what you're going to get in this Omni AI for the price of it, first of all, it's insane. But the amount of traffic, the amount of things that you can sell, we actually have it below. It's like, we want you to use this ethically because of the fact that this knows what people want to buy, because of the fact that you give people exactly what they want. Make sure that you're coming through, because people are just going to be handing you money. And that's where we're at right now. We're having the biggest months ever. And I can go on and on and on about how awesome this is. So Max, do you have some last thoughts? But you got to check this out below.
Yeah, what I want to add to this is that, I've always liked to work online. This is really my thing. I like to travel the world. And this is why I'm in this hotel room here right now. This is really, I'm not into big cars and all this stuff. But I like my work as well, but there were always tasks that I didn't like, and now I don't have to even care about those tasks anymore because AI takes care of them for me. So I can reach my goals faster by working less, and this is something that I just 6 months ago I was not even dreaming about this stuff. Now there are so many opportunities that 6 months ago, if I had a dream that this stuff is possible, I would have woken up being that was just a dream. But now it's reality, and I still don't believe it, but it's so amazing. And I definitely highly recommend that if you want to be serious and you want to make this money online, you want to quit your job, you want to spend more time with your family, then AI is the only way to go. And if you don't use it, you will always be left behind, and you will always lose to the ones who use AI in their business, because they're just going to be stronger, because they're just going to have a full team of the smartest people, sitting in the same room. And yeah.
I mean, how else can you get PhDs and engineers and all these really smart people? I mean, you have to spend thousands of dollars. Well, now we're just giving it to you. We're basically giving this away for free. But you got to remember how crazy this is. And it's not just about AI. Yes, to Max's point, you have to use AI, but it's about using the specific AI. You can get drowned out with all the different tools that are out there. There's more tools that you can think about. We're cutting through all of that. We're peeling back the layers, and we're showing you exactly what we're using, what gets you in a very, very simple way. And I can't stress that enough. You can go down some real deep rabbit holes with AI. We're showing you something very specific where you don't have to use your face. You don't have to, again, have money, but you can use all this power, all this knowledge, all these experts, basically having a literal AI army working for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Forget about VAs. You don't need that. Just pick up Omni AI, and your brain is going to explode with what you can do. We're not going to keep you any much longer. Go through the sales page, check it out, pick it up, and start crushing it right now with Omni AI. Get results.
Okay, so we're back. So this is the members area you'll have access to after you purchase. They've got a full explanation of how this all works. What are the advantages of having AI create your videos for you, the process, the viral formula, use that AI to come up with content ideas, turning the content ideas into a video script, creating your AI character, giving your AI character a voice, bringing your character to life. You can even add Morgan Freeman's voice to your character, creating your own deep fake or digital twin, different alternatives to all this, easy way to create inspirational mindset quotes, videos, and etc. with this. So this is the backend area. There are multiple upgrades that are going to be offered to you with this. They ask that I don't walk you through them, but you're used to this. You know what happens. They're completely optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Omni AI and what don't I like about it? If I just say something that I don't like about this, some of the big income screenshots on there. Like I said, it's not all from AI. It's not all from doing this. So just be aware, you're not going to magically get this and start making $50,000 overnight, but I hope you knew that already. What do I like about this? James is really big into AI. Like I said, if you want to learn from someone that's actually using this and is in like a big enthusiast when it comes to all this and actually knows what he's doing, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my Omni AI review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.